Excerpt from Visions of Cody by Jack Kerouac. America. The word. The sound is the sound of my unhappiness. The pronunciation of my beat and stupid grief. My happiness has no such name as America. It has a more personal, smaller, more tittering, secret name. America is being wanted by the police, pursued across Kentucky and Ohio, sleeping with the stockyard rats and howling tin shingles of gloomy hideaway silos, is the picture of an axe in True Detective magazine, is the impersonal nighttime at crossings and junctions, where everybody looks both ways, four ways, nobody cares. America is where you're not even allowed to cry for yourself. It's where Greeks try hard to be accepted, and sometimes they're Maltese or from Cyprus. America is what laid on Cody Pomeray's soul the onus and the stigma. That, in the form of a big, plainclothes man, beat the shit out of him in a back room till he talked about something which isn't even important anymore. America, teenage, dope, sex, carring, is also the red neon and the thighs in the cheap motel. It's where at night the staggering drunks began to appear like cockroaches when the bars close. It's where people are weeping and chewing their lips in bars, as well as lone beds, and masturbating in a million ways in every hiding hole you can find in the dark. It has evil roads behind gas tanks, where murderous dogs snarl from behind wire fences, and cruisers suddenly leap out like getaway cars, but from a crime more secret, more baneful than words can tell. It is where Cody Pomeray learned that people aren't good. They want to be bad. Where he learned that they want to cringe and beat and snarl is the name of their lovemaking. America made bones of a young boy's face and took dark paints and made hollows around his eyes and made his cheeks sink in pallid paste and grew furrows on a marble front and transformed the eager wistfulness into the thick-lipped silent wisdom of saying nothing, not even to yourself, in the middle of the goddamn night. The click of coffee saucers in the poor, poor night. Someone's gurgling work at a lunch cart dishpan in Bleak Howe, Colorado, voids for nothing. And nobody cares but the heart in the middle of U.S. that will reappear when the salesmen all die. America's a lonely crock of shit.